Following the worldwide success of the Big Blue Professional Giant Cruiser lift, the design and development team at Quasar Products Limited have come up with a solution to lifting both the massive CanAm Spyder Tourer and sports drag motorcycles in a totally safe and secure manner. Dedicated mounts are simply positioned and locked in place onto the lift, then pushed under the vehicle to engage with the rear suspension and chassis member. Provisions are also made to secure the bike firmly to the lift, and the whole thing is ready to go. Removal of all wheels, suspension, engine or any other parts can now be done in total safety for user and bike, saving you money on servicing and tire replacement, not to mention the convenience of being able to clean the bike in pure comfort. Big Blue is built to withstand loads up to 750 kilograms, yet is as light enough to handle by a single operative. The lift has built-in fail-safe safety features. By being operated through a high-tensile screw shaft, it can be left in the raised position indefinitely without the problems encountered when using hydraulics. As with all our products, it too is guaranteed for life.